My video guide is about getting rid of the browser notifications that are coming from the website News-cimase.cc. News-cimase.cc. The feature of browser notifications may be decent when it is the part of some decent websites. For example, there are some news websites or commercial sites or any other decent pages that try to draw your attention to their content. However, when we analyze sites like News-cimase.cc, they instead try to forward your attention to a lot of other deceptive and malicious websites. The websites that may infect your computer dramatically, and you'll start experiencing even more problems. If you have mistakenly clicked on the Allow button by these pop-ups, you'll start getting a lot of notifications that will be displayed randomly in the right bottom part of your screen. So do not interact with these alerts, do not click on Allow, and if the Allow button was mistakenly clicked, you need to immediately fix the issue by going to the menu of your browser, choose Settings, go to Privacy and Security, click on Site Settings. In Permissions, choose Notifications and go down to the bottom of the list that displays websites allowed to send notifications. If you find any malicious websites on this list, including this News-cimase.cc, remove it from the list entirely and delete other junk sites that may cause similar troubles. Finally, after you have done that, I would also strongly advise that you perform additional research of your computer with a Combo Cleaner antivirus, and the best place to get it is on the official page combocleaner.com. Download the software and start researching your system with its help. After you successfully download and install the Combo Cleaner antivirus for fixing your Windows computer, you may select your preferred scan type. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so it only gives you quick scan option in the trial mode. Even though the premium version also gives you the full scan option and a custom scan. You may click on Start Scan button and the program will prepare to scanning your computer. It will start reporting certain issues that may be related to your browser, or it may detect more serious threats. You may experiment with the preferences of Combo Cleaner. For instance, Combo Cleaner Premium version works very well with its feature called anti-ransomware. It gives you the chance to add a special folder where you may store protected items, protected documentation. But this component is only the feature of the premium version. So then while the scanning is taking place, you will be able to observe what particular threats are detected. And then at the end of scan, you will see the complete summary of all threats that were found during the scan. The premium version of Combo Cleaner gives you important features such as anti-malware, anti-ransomware, and web browsing protection. So with these three features being the part of the premium version, your computer will be fully protected. This includes protection against malware, viruses, ransomware, and suspicious pop-up ads, annoying redirections, and other troubles that people may experience with their browser. But once again, all these three features that are summarized as real-time protection are only the part of the premium version of the software. So, once the scanning is completed, you will see the complete summary of all threats that were found during the scan. You may remove all these threats with the premium version of the program or ask for a special trial key with the limited period of usage to completely enjoy and evaluate Combo Cleaner premium version.